Yes, sir. I have a best friend, and he's my elder brother. So he's my elder brother, but he's lower than my 3 years. But academic purpose, he's lower than my 2 years only.
Okay. What does he do?
So right now he is a student at Russia University of Engineering Technology. That means RIT. This located on your city.
Where are you now?
Now I am staying at Natur Gurudashpur.
Why do you think that your elder brother is your best friend?
Sir, actually, we are not a large number of age difference. That's our only 2 years. We are living together from our born, and we are sharing our happiness, sadness, and all about it. Right now, we are a adult, and we are almost completed. Almost, I have completed my graduation, and after 1 years, he will be complete her graduation. But our dream and our career planning both are same, and we are decided our decision making from at a time, and
Then
there
what is
have
then
many
what is then what is
causes
your
for our.
then what is your future plan?
Sir, I have completed my graduation on BSc in Textile Engineering. In future, I will be a expert textile engineer, and I want to give a huge contribution our textile sector.
Does he know this? You're learning English?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. He know this, and most of the time we are talking by English. That's why he can understand. Maybe I was admitted on a English course.
I understand. Okay, thank you so much, Sakibul Hassan bhai.